नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम वालेकुम भाइयों और बहनों, कैसे हैं? सब बढ़िया? हाँ, आज तो बढ़िया होंगे ही, क्योंकि आज जो संडे है, और आज संडे मतलब संडे अड्डा, जो कि मैं और मेरा दोस्त होस्ट करते हैं एवरी संडे, जिसमें हम लोग बहुत सारी चीज़ों लेके चर्चा करते हैं। तो दुख की बात यह है कि आज मेरे दोस्त नौबार को इस संडे ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाएंगे। अरे अफसोस मत कीजिए, वो फ़िलहाल इस दुनिया में है और भगवान की कृपा से वो सुस्त है, तंदुरुस्त है, सिर्फ आज के एपिसोड में नहीं ज्वाइन कर पाएंगे। मगर वो मेरे को एक बहुत अच्छा स्टोरी सुनाई, जिसको लेके मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ और जो मैं आपके साथ भी शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। ये जो स्टोरी है, ये बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है। तो फिर चलो सुनते हैं। Tension has filled the air in the 40th floor of the new posh apartment of the Guptas from yesterday. As the youngest member of the house, Tina Gupta was diagnosed as positive of the new COVID-19 virus. The people from the municipality had come now to seal off the entire flat, and an ambulance has arrived for Tina since her condition has worsened overnight, with her facing difficulty in breathing. The neighbors and the people in the society had already started criticizing the family's decision to bring back their daughter from abroad few days back. It has been heard that because of the Guptas now, the others' lives were in danger, and since the deadly virus had finally arrived to the society. The young adult, Tina, too was scared, and as she lay on the stretcher with an oxygen mask on, she saw her teary-eyed mother wearing a mask and hands folded in form of prayer as she left. Tina was admitted in the isolation ward, and the treatment started as soon as she reached the hospital. It had been few days that she had been treated and started responding to the medics quite efficiently. She was allowed to keep her phone in the hospital, which was her only medium through which she could keep in touch with the dear ones and the outside world. In one such conversation, her mother informed that their campus had also been sealed since more cases regarding the newfound COVID-19 was found. After Tina had left for the hospital, and many such instances had been worsening the situation in the neighborhood. She also told her daughter that she heard a few days back the neighbors bitching about them and their family and their decision to bring back Tina. Tina herself was also staying away from the social media these days, and had even abstained herself from posting anything about her current status. Though a few of her close friends knew about her being attacked by the deadly virus, and a few less people also called upon or checked upon her as well. Today is one of the happiest day of Trina's life. And why would it not be? She is finally getting discharged from the hospital after successfully defeating the virus. Her family had come to take her back home, and she left the isolation ward. And as she left the isolation ward, the doctors gave her a warm, cheerful ovation as they clapped their hands as she moved through the hallway of the hospital. Tina swiftly climbed inside their car, but as they drove towards their home, a cloud of sadness seemed to grasp her. माँ, आप पक्का है ना, कुछ नहीं होगा ना? asked Tina with a terror in her voice as their car took the last turn from the main road to reach their house. Mom, are you sure no? Nothing will be happening? अरे बेटा, कुछ नहीं होगा तेरे को, हम तेरे साथ हैं, comforted her mother with a smile as she hid the same terror as to if they would be allowed to enter their house or not. Don't worry, beta, we are with you. Nothing will be happening. As the car stopped near the gate and honked for the society gates to open, two security guards saw the car, and instead of opening the gates, they started coming closer to the car. Tina's heart skipped a beat as she assumed something terrible was going to happen. Now, two guards came near the car and asked the entire family to step down from the car, and also informed that they wouldn't be allowed to enter the campus if they don't do so. Left with no choice, the entire family stepped out of the car, along with Tina with a hint of terror in their face, unsure of what is yet to come. All of a sudden, there was a loud cheer and clapping, and the security guards who came to ask them to step outside their car showered them with flower petals from a distance. Tina looked up and saw everyone in the entire campus had come outside in their balcony to greet her and were clapping and cheering for the return of their warrior daughter. मस्ताना स्टोरी, मुझे भी पता है. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो ज़रूर इसको सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए. अरे करो सब्सक्राइब कर दो. अभी तक नहीं किए तो कब करोगे यार. चलो फिर मिलते और एक नए वीडियो के साथ इसी हफ्ते. टिल देन, बाय बाय एंड डू टेक केयर ऑफ़ योरसेल्फ.